In today's paint pour, we're working with a bold red base, flowing gold, and as the paint moves, it creates an almost mythical shape. For this Dutch pour, I'm starting with a deep red acrylic base, which will act as the foundation for the movement. Next, I'll mix gold, purple, and white, ensuring the right consistency for fluid motion. I'll be using a Dutch pour technique, but with a twist. Puddle pouring, blowing out the colors, and then spinning the canvas for a dramatic flowing effect. For this Dutch pour, I'm starting with a bright red acrylic base, which will act as the foundation for the movement. I had a hard time spreading the red acrylic paint across the canvas using the airflow technique. The paint was just too thick, which is why it's crucial to ensure it has a honey-like consistency. This makes it much easier to flow smoothly across the surface. It took some effort, believe me, but I finally managed to get an even spread. And let me tell you, red, yes, it was a messy process. I love using my torch, believe it or not. It's sometimes my favorite part. I use it to pop air bubbles in the paint, which helps achieve a smooth, even surface. It's also great for ensuring the paint self-levels, creating that flawless finish. I begin by layering down the colors in a puddle right in the center of the canvas. The red base creates a powerful backdrop, while the gold, purple, and white add dimension and contrast. Next, using controlled airflow, I blow out the colors from the center, allowing them to merge and flow naturally. achieve that dynamic organic movement, I'll give the spinner a full spin. This spreads the paint across the canvas, creating an elegant, flowing effect. As the paint settles, I notice it's a bit too thick in some areas. To guide the flow, I tilt the canvas gently, helping the paint move in a more natural direction. This final adjustment ensures that the composition remains balanced while keeping the abstract-like form intact. Now that the paint has fully spread, the gold shimmers against the red, giving the piece a majestic, almost mythical quality. Some might see a dragon soaring through the sky, while others might see something entirely different. And that's the beauty of fluid art. What do you see in the paint pour? A dragon? A phoenix? Something else? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this process, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next creation. See you in the next paint pour.